Now we see the linked list implementation of queue in abstract data type. For queue using singly linked list means we have to follow the two operation. One is front and rear. The front is for deleted process we have to use, and rear we have to insert the value through rear. The same operation follow for using array. That the same thing we have to follow, but by using singly linked list, we introduce the sequence of mm, value to store using list, singly linked list. We already seen from singly linked list in stack. The same process we have to create a structure, and here we can introduce a queue for frame, enter the element through rear, and some operations insert, delete, and display operation can be performed. So first we have to create a struct node, and node to declare the data and next field, and under the class queue we have to declare the node for front and rear, and whatever we have to declare the member function, insert, delete, and display. And insert function, first we check whether it is overflow or not. Otherwise, to the temp data we have to enter the value, new value into the data field, and the next temp data will be assigned as a null. In for first node, if the front equal to null, if the condition will be checked, and front equal to rear equal to temp we have to assign. Otherwise, rear the temp will be assigned as a rear tends to next. So then we have to display the value. For under the display the value, mm, further we have to check from the front equal to null or not. If uh, if it is not found means the temp data can be displayed, whether until null is not found. Then for deleting an item, first we have to check underflow, and the the front data can be deleted when the condition the front equal to rear. If only one node is there, so the front and rear equal to null. Otherwise, the front tends to next. It can be assigned to front. Then to the main function, the process will be performed during compile time. So using queue object create queue as an object for a class queue, then queue dot display of. First of all, the first thing we have to display the queue means we didn't insert the element into the queue, so it just display underflow. Then after we have to insert means queue dot insert of the value. Whatever we want to insert the value will be typed and display the element, and call queue dot delete item of. So only three elements could be deleted and display of function could be placed. Then we have to run the program. some connections. Right. Wait for some time. The compile process is going on. Now the output is displayed because this is a static type. During the compile time, that the program will be run. In our program, first step is q dot display of. So we couldn't insert any value before the display function. So the function should be displayed as a underflow. Then after we have to insert the element 5 element one by one. So first element is 10 means the 10 it has been inserted, and 24, 28, 32 and 30 has been inserted successfully. And q dot display of function, for this function the 5 data will be displayed one by one. So 10 one is first, then then q dot delete item will, for 3 times we have to proceed. So the first 3 element, so from q means the first element is 10, second element is 24, third element is 28, fourth is 32 and fifth is 30. So the each element should be go under rear part. So one after one another it will be pushed and forward to the front position. So the first element from the front is 10. So in first delete item is, when it called means the 10 value, the value 10 will be deleted. So the 10 is been deleted. Then another one is, next whenever the 10 value can be deleted means the front position automatically turns to the next position, that is 24. So another second delete item can be called. So the 24 value can also be deleted. Then the position can be pointed to the next, that is 28. Third one also the delete item can be called. So 28 also be deleted. Then after we have to display the element means only 32 and 30 can be displayed in the queue. This is also one of the program for queue using linked list. Thank you.